And so it begins, ladies and gentlemen. This is a 1952 Chevy Styleline Deluxe. And I am looking forward to getting this bad boy on the road, but we're not going to go all stock with it. I'm actually going to replace the engine and tranny, something more current, and actually the rear end as well. Still going all Chevy with it. I'm sticking with GM products. But some of the sourcing is a little unusual, but this is going to be my next project. I love the green color. We sanded through the blue and found the original green, which I love. I don't know who put that blue on there. I think that green is so much more attractive. You can see we started doing some Bondo and just kind of get a sense of where we're at with the whole thing, but really looking forward to getting it on the road. This is our engine. And as crazy, bizarre, whatever as it may sound, this is a 250 Chevy straight six, and it came off of a 1976 Gleaner combine. Pulled it out just like you see it. Basically undid a few bolts, pulled 4 bolts out of the Gleaner to remove the brackets in the front, and then 2 in the back. There's the radiator came out of the Gleaner as well, which I may very well use in this car. I don't know, but it did an adequate job in the Gleaner. And based on hours and just doing some basic math, this engine's only got about 35,000 miles on it. And it's been used off and on throughout the years. It still runs great. Got a little bit of an oil leak. I think the gasket around the cover there at the top needs to be changed out. It's got a leak down the what would be the driver's side of the engine. But that said, and the other kind of weird thing is it's got this this hose right here, which is actually the drain hose for the oil, so you can do an oil change on it when it's on the combine, right? I might plug that, and then again I might not. You never know with me. So it probably would make sense to plug it, but at the same time it's kind of a cool harkening back to its origins. And that is a beefy, big exhaust on that for a straight six. And I like that a great deal. So definitely going to keep that on there as well. It's got a pretty funky air cleaner. It goes back to this big tub air cleaner back here with this thing. It almost looks like it's some sort of a Tupperware deal, but that's actually steel on top. And that is plastic. That's not glass. That is plastic. After all, it's from the 70s, not the 50s or something. But it's got the huge stack exhaust on there, which I probably will have to take off. I mean, yeah, I could put it on the car, and it would be kind of a rat rod thing to do, but man, that body is so nice. I hate to trash the body and cut holes in the hood just for an exhaust, and so I probably won't, because, you know, I mean, it's one thing to do sacrilege on a car in terms of, you know, putting all kinds of different running gear on it. Not that most guys don't do that anyway, but boy, to cut up a perfect body like that just doesn't make any sense. It's so solid. The car is actually out of the Dakotas, and it's got some rust on it. I mean, you can definitely see some rust along what was, you know, the chrome trim there on the door. But overall, it's super solid. Somebody's already gone through the trouble of putting rocker panels on it. I didn't do that, but they did a really nice job on it. The doors are solid. The body is good all the way around. So I really can't see any reason to trash that stuff. So this is going to be the next project coming up. I'm definitely looking forward to that, and I'll be keeping you guys informed as to how it's going. I'll be doing my best to give you some video updates, and we'll be feeding that stuff along on the page. And it's just it's a cool project, man. She's still got a lot of potential. She's really, really solid. Somebody reupholstered the seats, which I think I'll probably keep them. I don't really see any reason not to. They're in really nice shape. It's just, I think it's like a cover, aftermarket covers that somebody put on there. And, you know, it's got the original dash and everything. Even the roof has got a little more than just a light skim of rust underneath what was the original headliner. So cracked windshield, cracked some glass and everything, but the car is complete. It's all here. I got bits and bobs in the trunk. I got a whole bunch up on in a box up on the pallet racking up there, and but it's cool, man. So we're looking forward to tearing into this. This will be my next thing, and again, we'll keep you updated as we go. Hey, you guys have a great one. God bless.